Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the video quality on the Netflix application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the profile that you would like to use, so tap on the relevant avatar. Now you should tap on the avatar icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on the second option saying app settings. Now if you scroll down, you can see in the downloads section the video quality button. Tap on it if you would like to change it to a higher quality. As you can see now, it is set to standard, so just simply tap on the other one if you would like to change it. Then if you are done with it, you can either tap on the icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen, or if you would like to set anything else, you just need to go back with this button in the upper left corner of the screen, so you can do whatever you wish to do. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.